Yes. So open your NCERT textbook at page number 462 and see the question number 13.6, chapter 13, nuclei. NCERT numerical problems that we are going to see here. So dear children, I hope all of you are ready, but it is very shock. Okay, still now 9-10 students are there. Okay, see the question number 13.6 at page number 462 and read the question carefully. Definitely one question will come in CBSE exam. So here see the question number 13.6, that is write the nuclear reaction for alpha decay. Write the nuclear reaction of alpha decay of 86 radium 236. 86 radium 236. Dear children, we know very well from any nuclide, if alpha particle is emitting here, I know the alpha particle, that is twice of helium-4. Twice of helium-4. So when from 86 radium 236, twice of, here we can write 86 radium 236. Alpha particle emitted. So 86 converted into here, that is 86 radium 236 or 88 radium, 88 I think. See here, 88 radium 236. Then alpha particle emitted here. So we will get 86 random 222 like this. It's a 1 mark question. Here 2 and 86, 88, 22, 232 sorry here, and 4, that is 236. Here again we are wrong. I think it is 226. Here is also 226. So here is 222. Sorry. Check it again and write down accordingly. Here 88 radium 226. Alpha particle is emitted. In the second case, you can write beta decay. In the second case, we can see here, when beta decay is there, from the nucleus of 15 phosphorus 32, 15p32, here, beta decay is there, यानी कि बीटा पार्टिकल निकल रहा है. तो here I can say 16s32 and electrons are emitted and neutrino. Here is a beta particle, here it is an anti-neutrino. So some reactions that are here, you have to remember it. Here is the electron -1 E0. So -1 is there, so 16 minus 1, that is 51. ऊपर 0 था, -1 E0, this is an electron, negatively charged particle. Similarly you can write for positron. Positron अगर निकलता है तो +1 E0. For positron that must be +1 E0. Positron is in a positive particle, so you will get there 5 boron 11. जो third equation है आपकी. See your NCERT textbook again. I am telling, and go accordingly. So these questions, dear children, are of 1 mark. Remember that. You know what is alpha particle, what is electron, what is positron. Is that clear? So write down here. Okay. Yes. Then come to the next question. That is 13.12. It's a very important question. 13.12 काफी बार बच्चों सीबीएसई एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, तो प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंगली. बाइंडिंग एनर्जी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हम नहीं कर रहे हैं अभी, क्योंकि दैट इज नॉट इन आवर सिलेबस. तो हियर सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 13.12. Okay, you have written this. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, question number 13.12. At page number 463. Read the question carefully and the different values are given. You have to find out the Q value and kinetic energy of the emitted alpha particle in the alpha decay of 88 radium-226. 88 radium-226. अभी हमने पढ़ा है. Write the equation. 86 radium-222 and twice of He4, that is our alpha particle. Now my dear children, the values are given in your book. Mass of radium, radon, all are given there. We have here 86 radon-222. इसका चाहिएगा आपको mass. So now, what is our formula for the Q value here? Mass of the parent nuclei minus mass of the product nuclei. Mass of the parent nuclei, and that is equal to the mass of the daughter nuclei, you can say. So we can write here mass of 88 radium-226 minus mass of 86 radon-222 plus twice of He4. This is our formula. These type of question, only your calculation is important, but question will definitely come. Here, see in your NCERT textbook, the values of mass are given. That is what radium, that is 226.02540. This is the value given here. Then minus of 86 radon, that is given here for 222. That is given here. How much it is? 222.01750. 222.07150 here. Then see the value given for alpha particle, that is 4.00260. 4.00260. इसको और इसको जोड़िए, sum of these two and subtracted it by this. The main thing, my dear children, how fast you can solve the question, that is important here. When you solve this, only you will get 0.0050 U. These mass are given in units. You know very well. We have seen earlier, 1 of U is equal to atomic mass unit 931 million electron volt. So you have to convert in 53 into, that is 931. This. Write down, dear children. So what is this? When you multiply it by this, you will get it 4.93 million electron volt. This is the answer here. Then you have to find out the kinetic energy also. For that you have to remember this formula here. Kinetic energy of an alpha particle, that is atomic number -4 divided by A into Q. ये formula आपको यहाँ याद रखना है. A -4 divided by A into Q. You can see over there in the product nuclei, A is 222 -4 divided by 222 into Q. Q आपने कैलकुलेट किया 4.93. Put this value here and solve it. Similarly बच्चों, इसी क्वेश्चन में सेकंड पार्ट दिया हुआ है. Same steps you have to take and solve up to your level. Same formula, same kinetic energy formula. In the second reaction, for radon, convert into polonium. Okay, तो do it. उतार लीजिए इसको. Now, see the question number 13.13 and 14. Both are similar questions, but they are also important questions. I am solving here 13.14. 14वां क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूं मैं. I hope you have written it. Now see the question number 14. 13.14 at same page number 463. Read the question. What is that? क्या क्वेश्चन है, पढ़िए उसको. जो आपको न्यूक्लियाई दिया हुआ है 10 neon 23. 10 neon 23 decays by beta minus emission. आपको दिया हुआ बीटा माइनस एमिशन तो 10 neon 23 convert into 11 sodium 23. कौन सा पार्टिकल निकल रहा है? बीटा पार्टिकल. That is -1 E0 plus antineutrino and Q value. ये इक्वेशन बनेगी यहाँ पर. Now, so write down the beta decay equation. This is our beta decay equation, and I want to calculate maximum kinetic energy of the electron emitted. This is our question. Maximum kinetic energy we are going to find out. So dear children, the value of mass दिया हुआ आपको in units. Dear children, one important thing here it is the whole of energy is carried by beta particle. तो जो Q value आपका फॉर्मूला लिखोगे आप यहाँ पर, that is Mn of 10 neon 23. 10 neon 23. This is minus Mn 11 sodium 23. Then you see here minus mass of electrons Me. Me is here. This ये जो आप निकालोगे यहाँ पर here, then multiplied by line 31, that is in million electron volt. ये जो बच्चों आपको दिया हुआ है लिखो इसके लिए मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियाइड Mn of 10 neon 23 लिखिए. मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियाइड 10 neon 23 एंड मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियाइड 11 सोडियम 23. इन दोनों के लिए बता रहा हूं मैं. N लिखा हुआ इसका मतलब क्या है? राइट डाउन मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियाइड 10 neon 23 and mass of nuclide 11 sodium 23 are nuclear masses. ये बच्चों न्यूक्लियर मासेस है. Mn का मतलब है इट इज द न्यूक्लियर मासेस ऑफ 10 neon 23 and 11 sodium 23. if यहां लिखिए if m small m 10 neon 23 and M11 सोडियम 23. ध्यान देना ये कैपिटल एम है. यहां पर हमने लिखा था Mn, अब लिख रहा हूं मैं M. So these are the atomic masses of these nuclei 10 neon 23 and 11 sodium 23. So how can we find out this value? M of N 10 neon 23 की वैल्यू क्या होगी ये बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. What is the value of here? M 10 neon 23. Atoms of neon. Atoms of neon contains 10 electrons. How much it is? 10 electrons. तो इसमें से mass of 10 electron निकालेंगे हम. तो M of nucleate आ जाएगा हमारे पास M 10 neon 23. ये 10 neon 23 minus 10 Me minus 10 Me. यहां लिख लो नीचे माइनस कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है 10. तो 10 Me ये लिखोगे आप फॉर्मूला यहां. वो हम यहां पे लिखेंगे अभी. तो मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियाइड ऑफ 10 neon 23 is equal to this one because it has 10 electrons. Similarly, for the sodium nuclide, ये यहां लिख रहा हूं मैं. Similarly, mass of nuclide sodium 11, sodium 23, that is equal to atoms of sodium contains how much electron? 11. We can write here mass of 11 sodium 23 minus 11 Me. ये दोनों वैल्यू, this one or this one, we have to put here और solve करिए इसको. We are putting here. Now इसकी जगह वो रखिए वहां पर M 10 neon 23 minus 10 Me, 10 Me, ये माइनस, अब सोडियम के लिए लिखिए माइनस M11 सोडियम 23 माइनस 11 Me, माइनस ऑलरेडी है तो हो जाएगा प्लस 11 Me, और ये एक माइनस Me है पढ़ा हुआ ऑलरेडी. दिस इज देयर, दिस इज इनटू 931. ये ओके, तो नाउ सॉल्व इट. ये ब्रैकेट हटा दो, ये माइनस 10 Me और ये माइनस Me और ये 11 Me है, तो इसको हम आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे चारों, ये तीनों. तो क्या बचेगा अब हमारे पास? वी आर राइटिंग हियर. तो अब मेरे पास बचेगा बच्चों केवल M into 10 neon 23 minus M11 sodium 23 into 931. ये आ गया केवल, बस लिख लो. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये हमने क्या किया, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जितना न्यूक्लियड में इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसका मास कम होगा यहाँ पर, टू गेट द एक्चुअल मास. तो पुट दिस वैल्यू हियर. नाउ what is the value here given in our question? That is 22.994466. See in your book. Similarly, the other value for sodium minus 22 point, कितना वैल्यू दिया हुआ देखिए, 989770 into 931 here. अब सॉल्व करिए इसको. All things are given, only we want to know only these things here. तो ये आ गया बच्चों, इसको आप सॉल्व करिए. Once you multiplied it by 931, you will get it in MeV, million electron volt. Yes, all children listen me. I have sent you a password of scale row. Now attendance are going on that, so everybody can see. Dushyant, send me, or Pulkit, both send me the attendance of these 21 students.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can go through the scale row and every day you can check your attendance. Yesterday you can show only 6 students are there because I was out of station, but I have sent you the video of gamma decay. Now solve it. सॉल्व करेंगे इसको 0.00 कितना है करके बताइए 4689 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 931 ईयर सॉल्व करिए मेड ऑल द 20 स्टूडेंट्स आप देखिए कितनी देर में करते हैं क्यों ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन आप दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि दिस क्वेश्चन इन विच एवरीथिंग इज गिवन वी हैव टू अप्लाई ओनली आवर मैथमेटिक्स हाउ मच इट इज कैलकुलेट करिए बच्चों ये मैंने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं साइड में क्वेश्चन नंबर डू इन योर कॉपी these are very important question of this chapter if you have any kind of problem regarding these questions or solve also other question may you may be if you have any kind of problem then you may ask how much it is calculate kiya isko yes yes dear children how much you are getting no one can do it I hope all of you have done it but how much it is the answer it is kitna answer aaya yes my dear children this is called
4.7
yes beta again telling hello
4.37
very good Anjali yes तो बच्चों it total depends on your practice how much taking you are spent to solve the questions so this is all about today's module write down and solve these questions if you have any kind of problem then you may ask okay okay bye